welcome to my channel, and today we're going to talk about all things changing colors with foundation single crochet stitches. So I know that the foundation single crochet stitch is one that I love to use, but I also like to incorporate color changes into it, and it's not as scary as it looks, so I'm here to talk you through that. So I've got my first color started here. I'll give you a link to the video with how to do the foundation single crochet stitch if you want a little more slow-mo version of that, but I'll walk you through that here as we get started. So I like to work vertically for my foundation stitches, and the beginning part before you change colors is going to be, well, changing colors is just like changing colors in most other crochet stitches. So I'm going to start off, insert my hook, yarn over and draw up a loop, yarn over, chain one, and then instead of yarning over and finishing out my single crochet stitch, this is where I'm going to drop the first color. I'm going to bring in my second color here. I'm going to wrap that around the mouth of my hook, and I'm going to pull it through the last two loops. Just like with other color changes, kind of got to pull, finesse your yarn a little bit. I'm going to take the yellow yarn tail and the blue yarn tail. I'm kind of going to tuck them, hold them here with my hand as I can tighten this down. And then I can start my next single crochet stitch, foundation single crochet stitch. So I'm going to insert my hook. Kind of got to move your yarn out of the way a little bit. So I'm going to insert it here under those two loops. The first one obviously is a little difficult because you don't have all your hooks or your loops there. Get under those two. So I have it under the bottom two loops. Here's my yarn tail for the blue. I'm going to move that out of the way. I'm going to move my yellow yarn tail out of the way so then I can hold on to this, pull up a loop, chain one, finish out my single crochet, and there is one foundation single crochet stitch in the new color. And you can see how we changed the colors right at this. There's kind of a really nice line there, and you can just continue on making foundation stitches as you normally would. All right, let's take a look at that. So pull my hook out here so you can see, hold it up close. You can see where we changed colors. It's right at the top of the stitch. You can check your tension. You might need to pull this tighter. Same with the blue. You can kind of massage it a little bit, and then once you get your second row of stitches going in there, it'll start to even out. You can always crochet over those tails slightly to get you started as you go. But there you are, ready to practice changing colors with the foundation single crochet. And I'll be sure to put some links below to projects that use this stitch so you can do them as well.